Yeah, talk louder.
Okay, so we are about to take some pictures for graduation.
Blake's graduation.
And we just got here, so
Makeup is done. And yeah, now we're about to take the graduation pictures. So right now we are about to wrap it up.
one for me.
We're about to wrap it up. And this is Blake's like last location and last outfit. So it has gone really well so far. And now we're done. Okay, y'all, I'm gonna get this bag in white, but they have like several different colors. So I was just like looking around. And I like how it comes with the pouch too. And it has a matching bando. It looks like it doesn't match on camera, but it matches like in my eye. In person it matches. So the pink, the gray, the yellow, the white, and the blue. So I ended up getting the whites. Alright guys, so I did get this bag today from the Tory Burch Boutique, and I just wanted to do an unboxing with you all. So this is the bag that it came in, and it did come with a dust bag as well. So here is the standard dust bag that most of their items come in, and here is the bag. I'm glad that the color is coming off correctly. Here is the logo, the standard Tory Burch New York logo, and it comes with a clasp, so it snaps together. I'm actually looking in the viewfinder right now just so that I know that you guys are able to see it. So I'm going to do the D-ring. Okay, so it's closed now. And it comes with a pouch. You can use this as a wristlet. The zipper is really smooth, sounds great, and it also comes with a really deep pocket on the inside. So I'm just showing you all how much room you guys have when you purchase. So I just wanted to show you all how it's going to look when you're wearing it. It is large enough to fit a 15-inch MacBook in there. So let me go ahead and get mine just so that I can show you all what it fits. Alright, so here is my laptop, and it fits perfectly. So it's definitely going to fit the 14-inch MacBook that I know some people have. It fits it really well, and it's holding its shape great. I can't wait to wear this and just really look cute wearing it. If you're wanting to reach in your bag, you can just easily go like that. So this is just a standard tote. It is canvas, so it's going to be easy to wipe down. Work bag, just an everyday bag. But yeah, I just wanted to show you all that I actually really love it. I've been wanting like a basic tote like this, just so that I can throw my laptop, throw my camera, and throw my everyday essentials in there. But yeah, I just wanted to show you all. But it does come with the dust bag if you go into the store. I don't know how it is online. I have ordered some shoes from the Tory Burch website, but I've never purchased the purse. So this is my first Tory Burch handbag purchase. And I'm liking Tory Burch. Like, I'm really liking them. Especially this shopping bag. It's so pretty. So I can't wait to wear this. Yeah, I love it. For you guys, I did get a few things, but I just wanted to get ready today. I was off today. I'm using this Smashbox photo finish primer. I was off today and I took off because I'm like, I need to get my life together. And I did get some lashes from the store earlier. I went before I got my day started, so I did that, and now I'm like, okay, I can use them. So that's what I'm about to do now. I got some like fluffy ones, but they look too long, so I'll probably have to cut them. And I'm drinking my smoothie, so it's really good. Y'all, let me go get some sunscreen. I got some sunscreen, guys. Okay, yeah, so I am in a really good position right now. Like, I have the camera positioned really good, and that way I can look in the camera. But I'm using the eyebrow like glue from NYX. Yeah, the brow glue, that's what it's called. What have you guys been up to? I have to get back to digital planning, guys. Well, I have been digital planning, but I haven't been filming it. I've actually just been, doing it. And I like that aspect, I really do. But today, I said I was going to, why did I do this first? It's okay. Today, I said I was going to either go get a pedicure or like go to Trader Joe's. I'm gonna do my makeup in a different way today because I'm feeling different right now. Now I'm using the NYX eyebrow pencil in the shade soft brown. Oops, I forgot to powder it. And y'all, I've had this thing and I haven't used it like that, but just recently I've started to use it. This is the Becca Aqua Luminous Perfecting Concealer. That was a lot. So I've been really using this. I've had it in my collection and I just haven't used it. And I've just like started using it recently and I love the way it looks. I should have known because it's Becca and I like Becca products. So I have like this highlighter. So I kind of let that sit. I guess I'll just let it sit there. Now I'm gonna grab my putty brush and use it in the putty blush. This is in the shade Bora Bora. That's what it's called. Bora Bora, you guys. So yeah, I only put on a little bit. Then I used the Fenty concealer in 330. Now I'm about to go in with the concealer with this brush. Usually I use the sponge, but like just for right now, I have the brush available. It's easy access, so I'll just use the brush. Ooh, I really like when it, it sat on my face. That sounded wrong, but y'all know what I mean. The concealer, when it was just sitting there baking, I guess okay, that's the better term for it. I said sitting on the face, but y'all know what I mean. Okay, so now I'm about to do the brows. This is a MAC 195 brush. Okay, so now I'm about to blend the contour out. No harsh line. You can always go back and correct. That's why I start with a little and then I amp my way up if I need more. So now I'm about to blend out the concealer. Okay, so then I will put a little bit more bronzer on. I'll take another kind. I'll do the MAC one now. And I'm just taking a brush like this, cycling brush. I call it a bronzer brush. Okay, then I'm just gonna take the beauty blender. Okay, this is a Morphe M530 brush. I'm taking the Too Faced bronzer that I had. This is in medium, Chocolate Soleil. Looks like this. I'm pinching the brush and I'm just going like back and forth where I put the bronzer. Then I'm going in with the Morphe banana powder. I'm getting the triangle and I'm about to set a few places on my face. Okay guys, now I'm done with the face. I just have to brush it off, put lashes on, and that's it. I don't really feel like doing eyeshadow today, so I just won't. Okay, so that's the face, guys. That's the gist of it. Now I'm just gonna go in with the all-nighter spray. Okay guys, so I ended up getting the salad called Santa Fe, and it's really good. I got smoky Russian salad dressing, so now I'm about to eat it and then I'll get back with you guys. Alright you guys, so at this point I'm done with the salad. I've eaten all that I've wanted to eat, so now I'm about to head to Whole Foods, maybe pick up some stuff for dinner tonight so that I can cook and get some work done. So yeah, you guys are gonna come with me. Alright guys, look at this. Look how pretty this bottle is. It's a cork, and let me show you all the back. It is on sale, so I'm probably gonna get this. Hey everyone, so I'm back home. And I just want to show you guys what I got from Whole Foods. I picked up a few things. I don't know if I'm going to make dinner tonight because I'm not that hungry. So I don't know what I'll do, but at least I'll have something if I do get hungry. So I'm going to show you guys what I got. So I got these cheese Danish. These look good. Got some hot dog buns, because I thought about doing meatball sub, but I'm not too sure about it tonight. Ground beef, hot dogs, sauce for the meatball sub, juice, I got some shrimp, half a pound of tiger shrimp. I think it's called white tiger. Oh, and I got this wine that I was telling you about. Like, how could I resist the packaging? It's so pretty. So I cannot wait to dig in. But that was it, guys. That was all I really needed. I really didn't need much. So I'm about to see how the this video I did looks. I don't know how it looks. I was kind of wanting a sweet treat, so I was like, maybe I should get that. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and put everything away, and I'm about to get some work done. But I'm glad I could take you guys with me to the store. Like, I'm getting more and more comfortable with vlogging. Sometimes I like kind of like look around to see who's looking at me, but I did a lot better today. I don't see how this pasta sauce. Tomato basil should be good. But I'm about to throw this ground beef in the freezer. Want it back, want it back. He's all you hoes forgot. Okay guys, so that is it. That's all I had to do. I'm loving this new jacket. Ooh, I love it. It's so comfortable and convenient. Like, it looks good zipped up. It looks good zipped down. Like, look how cute that is. And I just figured out how to, let me bring y'all up. I just figured out how to clear my SIM card out, because I was buying like more when I didn't need to. I just had to empty the trash out in my computer. So I just figured out how to do that, and I'm really happy about it. Anytime I don't know how to do something, I always try to just YouTube it, and usually it'll tell me what I need to know. So I'm about to look over the try on haul footage over. I'm gonna try look at it and and determine if I want to redo it. I don't know if that's really my vibe today, redo a video. I said I was gonna redo it, but I just needed to redo the intro to the video. So I already did that. So yeah, now I'm about to, like I said, get some work done. Maybe half of this cheese Danish, I don't know. I'm kind of full from the salad, so I'll probably just drink some water. But I don't know about making it. I'm not hungry, and it's what? It's almost 8 o'clock. Like, I'm not hungry. So we'll see. I might just make something quick like a wrap if I do get hungry, but I'm not hungry right now. So that's it, guys. I hope you guys have a great Friday. I hope you have a great weekend. And wherever the wind blows me tomorrow, that's what I'm doing. But I said I'm not going to extend myself. I need to really prioritize what I need to do. I need to prioritize what I need to do first before I say yes to hanging out with people. So that's what my goal is to do tomorrow. And I also need to get back on my digital planning. I feel like I said that already, but I really do. Well, I need to get back on filming it because I haven't done that. So I really want to get back to that. But I just wanted to say what's up. I just want to close out. Well, not really close out, but yeah, that's just the update of where I'm at right now. I'm gonna throw some things in the dishwasher, and I need to get some work done. I do. But I'm also really tired, so I'm definitely gonna have a early night tonight. Usually I go to bed late, but I need to stop doing that. I need to really get on my sleep routine and wake up routine, and also workout routine as well. I need to get back into the swing of things. But my makeup came out really good today. Okay, try to get some thumbnails in there. But yeah, y'all, I'm just like kind of like worn out from the day. I didn't do a lot today, but I'm glad I took off. That was much needed. So I'm about to relax and maybe come back, maybe not.